Okay, let's go.
Welcome to the Muscle Up Guide. At the end of this guide, your muscle up will look like this.
Nice.
Step 0. Pre-requirement. You need to be able to do 7 to 8 full range of motion normal pull-ups. Chin over the bar and starting position is with arms fully extended. Then, you need to be able to do 3 chest to bar pull-up with full range of motion. Finally, you need to be able to do 4 dips over the bar with full range of motion. The muscle up is a mix of subtle movement that needs to be executed in combination. Front view. Step number 1 is to swing your body forward and backward. Step number 2 is to tuck your legs while moving backward in your swing movement.
Okay.
Step number 3 is to start pulling once you are almost done tucking your legs. Step number 4 is to pull with all your power to go behind the bar and high enough that you are now over the bar. Step number 5 is to do the dip over the bar. Boom! That's it! Let's see the side view of the steps. Step number 1, the swing. Step number 2, tucking legs on the backward swing. Step number 3, start pulling when almost done tucking your legs. Step number 4, all out pull. Step number 5, the dip. Secret tip. Charge the bar, run up to it, and get a nice forward swing. Chalk grip. Everything is easier with some chalk.
Yeah, boy.
Shirtless trick. Working out shirtless makes you stronger. Congratulations, you just achieved your first muscle up. If not, make sure that you meet the requirements and don't forget that practice makes perfect. On this note, this was Nick Lab. If you want to see more content just like this one, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. For now, peace out!